just terrible. This is
Toilet won't stop running. Your problem is probably this gasket right around here. So basically all you have to do is turn the water off, drain the water out of here by just flushing it. Then just twist this counterclockwise. It's going to click 1 or 2 times, and that's going to allow you to screw it off of that. It's like a plastic screw rod going up through there, and you can screw it right off and then pull it right off of there. And then just unhook the chain, and then you don't have to do all that in the toilet. Put the seal back on it, which is the white part, then screw it, turn it back on there, clockwise, and it's gonna click 2 times, and then screw it down, and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.
what the hell?
Damn prairie dog burrow.
Little son of a bitches.
Terrible. This is what the hell?
This is no magic trick. This is the real deal. Holyfield. And we close on that.